He's prowling like a tiger, slowly slinking down the street, looking for the hand-drawn signs, yeah, their trash is his treat. At every new estate sale in any old garage, the tiger has a hunger for your trinkets and garbage.
Good morning. How y'all doing? All right. You get golf shoes, no golf clubs?
No, no golf clubs.
Okay.
I don't believe.
I do have some golf clubs in there. I just didn't put them out. I was gonna put maybe handles on them, grips.
What kind are they?
Callaway. You want to see them?
I'd be interested, yes.
Okay. You use them, okay? Well, maybe they're easier to get to.
I brought all the dogs. I said I brought all the dogs. I only brought a few that were non-real.
This is pitching wedge through 5-iron.
Okay. Okay. X20, okay.
Yeah, and this is three different wedges. It's a Cleveland D wedge, about a 100-yard wedge, and then I got a 56 and a 60.
What do you want for them?
For all of them, how about 40?
Okay. They're all puppets.
I'm getting over this.
Come on now.
Yeah.
You got all the toys, man.
I'm sorry.
They're still on the table, don't count.
He's getting it back. From me.
I know, I'm messing with you.
Yeah, the price tag's already on it. You want me to, like, look at all the prices?
You ready to price that?
I didn't check them out yet.
How much is your yarn?
Yarn? That's your yarn. Yeah, look.
Okay.
Oh, they got
Make
pull
it
back.
a dollar. So
Look, sir. You got a whole. She got a whole back right there too.
what do you want for the whole bag?
Tell me.
Well, she said $1 for this, so
You tell me.
$5 including this.
Sure.
This-
Sounds good.
I'll take that. I didn't see it. Good morning.
I mean, all your signs and bottle signs. It's so easy.
Good morning.
He's just like,
Oh, yeah, everything. I'm firm on that, because I'm brand new. Nah, perfect condition.
It does look like brand new, don't it?
Yep. Brand new, full game.
And I took it out of the box and I put it in my living room, but I never hooked it up because I had an Xbox One. And she bought me a Xbox One, a PlayStation 3, and that Xbox 360, and I was like, oh, baby, I don't know what I'm doing.
Brand new. All he does is fish now.
Would you do 100 including the PS3?
Huh?
Would you do 100 including the PS3? You got 125, 125.
Wait, what now?
Would you do $100 for this and this
Yeah,
And you want the games?
in the game? Yeah, I mean, yeah, basically this for free.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Good morning.
Hey, morning. Alright. Watch.
What did I say, Steve?
Oh, I know him. That,
How y'all doing this morning?
Scott is just short for Steve.
I guess he might be at work.
He did have work because he was at a party with us last night.
Oh, was he?
Yes.
He said he's gonna bring the fire truck by and take a look at it.
Yes, he did say that.
Yeah, he's a big garage seller. In your head.
Isn't it? It's camouflage for the sort of places I would hide.
And this is awesome.
Yes, it is. I got that for Mardi Gras many years ago.
In your head. 2,000.
Those are all $1.
I mean, even if you mark it up 500%.
And then, like, this is a Stife.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Sure is. What do you have on him?
$5.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Smoking does not smoke. It does make you gain.
Oh, that's when you went to the site smoking, yeah.
Well, yeah, I never gained weight. And so when I quit smoking, I was eating popcorn with butter, I could do it before. And then next thing I know, it's hard to get off when you get it on.
I'm gonna get. What you gonna get? This one. Push it.
Oh, you have that too. Yeah.
You wanna put that in here?
No,
I'm gonna just kind of wrap this in.
Alright.
You know what?
Look at that.
You wanna wrap that and put it in here? Yeah, I got a bag. Oh, you do? Okay, right. I like the canister. Oh, look, it's straight inside. Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah. Oh, that's really cute. I did not thought. She hasn't let go of the pony since she got here.
I'm gonna wrap that right down.
Mm.